I'd say Olympus Cheese is family. It's been a family business from the beginning. It's where I grew up. It's my first job. My uncle's still the head cheesemaker. Don't make me cry. No, yeah, super proud. Olympus is everything to me. So Olympus started in '74 in West End. We're now here based in Coorparoo, stayed in Queensland.
The old owners imported all the equipment out of Cyprus, so everything you see in the factory here is the traditional Cypriot equipment. We make fettas, halloumis, ricotta, Greek yogurt, natural yogurt.
Our staple is our halloumi. We hand fold and hand mint every block.
I think the freshness of the product's really important. We support the local Maleny, Kenilworth region where we get our milk each day. It's not about high volume, chasing the big dollars. It's actually making something that tastes great and unique.
It is really about making customers feel like that they are part of our family. Brisbane Airport are partnering with us and then you guys become our family.
The elevation of having better dining in the airport is really important, and the better quality produce that we can get there, it's locally made, promoting the state, promoting the small businesses. It just gives people a reminder, hey, Brisbane and Queensland can produce some great quality product. We couldn't be more excited to partner with Brisbane Airport.
It's a proud moment, and I know that my family would be really proud to know that Brisbane Airport are showcasing local producers.